Welcome to my channel. In today's recipe we are going to be looking at coconut whole wheat muffins or cupcakes. I made this for Suhoor. They are so easy to make. Start by mixing the dry ingredients, that is the whole wheat flour I used. Add desiccated coconut and sugar. You can as well decide to substitute sugar with honey, maple syrup, and mix all that up. Then I added cinnamon, ginger, baking powder, baking soda, and a little bit of salt. Meanwhile, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. And once you are done mixing the dry ingredients, whisk in an egg. I also used a few drops of coconut essence for an extra coconut flavor. Then mix this all up. Kindly subscribe to help me grow. Like the video and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. Then add in the milk as you mix. I used dairy milk, but you can as well decide to use the plant-based milk, and in particular coconut milk or coconut cream for an extra coconut flavor in this recipe. Mix until we reach a certain consistency that we need for these cupcakes. Do not forget to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. Whenever you click on the bell, go ahead and click on all notifications to be notified and to get all my video notifications whenever I post. This is the kind of consistency we are looking for, so make sure that that is the kind of consistency you should get, regardless of if you have doubled this recipe or not. Yeah, just make sure that that is the consistency you should get. This is a recipe that can be plant-based recipe where you just only use either almond milk, soy milk, or coconut milk. This recipe can be made eggless, so you can leave out the egg if you don't want it. Also, do not fill the cupcakes up to the top. Leave room for expansion or for rising as they bake, and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until they brown on top like this. At this rate, they are ready and they are so yummy. This recipe will give you cupcakes that are not so sweet, that are full of coconut flavor, and at this rate you can like smell the coconut all over your kitchen. They are so healthier, and I made this for Suhoor. Kids love them a lot, and you can store them 3 to 5 days in an airtight container and enjoy it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Until next time.